So now children, we will learn about definite article. The is a definite article, and why it is a definite article? Because it points out some particular person or thing, definite person or thing. That's why the is a definite article. Now we will study the rules where to put the use of the. Article the is used to introduce plural nouns, right? Like we can say that a or an is used with singular nouns, but with plural nouns we always use the. Okay. Next is the is used before definite person or things. That's why it is a definite article. It is used before definite person or thing. Okay. Next is when we talk about the same noun second time. Like this is a flower. The flower is red. So in the first sentence I have used a flower. In the next sentence when it is repeated, the word flower is repeated, I have used the before it. The flower, it is a flower. The flower is red. So second time when we talk about the same noun, first time we use a or an before it. Accordingly, it is a consonant or it is a vowel. It depends on that. Where to use a or an I have already discussed with you. But when the same noun is repeated again the second time, we use the before it. Next is the is used with special names, with unique things, with special names like the name of monuments, the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, the name of rivers, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the names of mountain ranges, the Himalayas. Okay. Next is with the name of books, the Bible, the Ramayana. Next is the name of trains. With the name of trains also we use the, like the Rajdhani. Next is newspaper, the Times of India, the State Times. So with all these special names, monuments, rivers, mountain ranges, books, trains and newspaper, we use the before it. We also use the before the directions like the east, the west, and we also use the with the unique things which are only one in this whole world, in our planet, like the earth, the moon, the sun. We always write the before it because it is unique. It is only one. It is definite thing. It is, so we will use definite article before it. So always remember where to use the. The is used before plural nouns. The is used before definite person or thing. The is used when we talk about the same noun the second time. Next is the is used with special names like the name of monuments, rivers, mountain ranges, books, trains and newspapers. And the is used with unique things also like the earth, the sun, the moon. Right? So remember all these points. And next we will be doing the exercises on articles. So children, now next we will do an exercise. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Let's read the first one. Dash earth moves round dash sun. Okay. Dash earth moves round dash sun. Earth, sun. Earth and sun. We are talking about earth. We are talking about sun. Both are definite and both are unique. Both are unique. Earth is one of its kind and sun is one of its kind. Oh, right. So here which article we will use? We will use the before it. So the earth moves round the sun. Right. Next, let's take the next one. I bought dash buffalo, dash ox and dash horse. Which buffalo, which ox, which horse? These three are indefinite. We are which article we will use here? We will use a or an accordingly. So here buffalo, b sound. It is a consonant sound. So we will use a before it. Next is dash ox, o, vowel sound. We will use an before it. Next is and dash horse, h, again consonant sound, a before it. So these are indefinite. So we will use indefinite article. We will use a and an. A and an both are indefinite articles. With consonant we use a, and with vowel sound we use an. Next is I eat dash apple. Dash apple was crunchy. Okay, dash apple was crunchy. So here I eat an apple. Right? Apple, a. Indefinite it is again. So I eat an apple. And next is again in the same sentence, same word is repeated, same noun is repeated. So what is the rule? When in the same sentence, same word, we are pointing towards the same word, same noun in that particular sentence, next time which article we will use? The. First indefinite article we will use if it is indefinite. Next, if we are repeating the same word, we are pointing out towards the same noun, we will write definite article because it is now definite that this apple is crunchy, right? Which apple is crunchy? With the apple which I am eating. So here we will use the before it. Okay. Next is I will come back in dash r. Again r. Right? We cannot say har. We do not pronounce this word as har. How we pronounce it? R. R sound. Right? So again vowel sound. So we will write and before it. Okay. Next is look at dashboard. Teacher is saying look at dashboard. Definite thing. Pointing towards definite thing. Right. So look at the board. Next is that dash sun rises in dash east. See, unique. Direction name. So which article we will use? The. The sun rises in the east. With direction name, with the name of directions, we use the. Whether it is east, west, north, south. All these four directions, we always use the before it. Okay. Next is dash ice cream is delicious. Indefinite thing. Dash ice cream is delicious. We don't know which ice cream. So again, we will use indefinite article before them. First, we will see the sound ice cream. I is vowel sound. So we will use and before it. Next is dash Ganga is a long river. So what I have told you, remember, with the name of river we always use a definite article. So we use the before the name of a river. So I hope all the rules are very much clear to you, where to use the, where to use a, where to use an. I am repeating once again. Revise it once again. A and an are indefinite article. They are used with indefinite thing or noun, thing or person. Okay, they are used with indefinite nouns. Next is the. The is a definite article. The is used with definite noun, pointing towards definite noun or person or thing. Okay, so the is definite article. A and an are indefinite articles. Thank you. Have a nice day.